And I had a couple that made me feel sad. Probably all of them. Probably all of them were brought to us by Professor Professor Nobody. Hey, Professor Melko. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to Physics Meme Stream, the first of maybe many. I will be reacting. I have not seen these before. Well, I've seen this one before. I think you need to redo the Garage for the Winter. Just run OBS and Twitch. Meme react. Meme react. So we see this is very nice. Nicely done. I thought I erased that before I took the picture, but apparently I think this was commentator. -1. What do you mean -1? Why -1? I haven't even started yet, and you guys are already giving me poor grades. Why? Why am I in here? What is this? It gets worse. That's the meme, though.
You are a meme.
What is happening? If you try to understand quantum mechanics, you won't understand quantum mechanics. Oh, I get it. I get it. It's one of those multi-stage memes. I get it. You must be a photon because you just took me to my excited state. I don't know about. Okay, so oh geez, Vsauce. I don't know. Something about seeing him just makes me laugh. Any relatively small value exists. Boom, approximated. There we go. That's some natural units if I've never seen it. It's a particle. It's a wave. Is it both? It's both. I hate it. That's good. That is good. You guys are on fire. This is really good. There's 60 of these? How far is this? Holy smokes. That's a long tab. Is this Tyrion? I feel like this is Tyrion. Like actual, like, things that he thinks. Hello, my name is Paul. I have a PhD in physics, and thanks to a random brain freeze, forgot the word for photon, so I had to call it shiny crumb in front of my colleagues. A brain freeze. Oh, man. Therapist. What do we do when we're feeling anxious? Mathematician. Call the proof trivial, leave it as an exercise. Therapist, no.
We know it's Eric's meme because of the grammar kappa.
Okay. My grammar is pretty bad. You got a point. I got nothing. Brilliant. Watch is love. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. Nice. Okay, whoever invented knock-knock jokes deserves a Nobel Prize. Please knock. I feel uncomfortable. Is this Melko? I suspect Melko. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll be amongst the stars. Sounds suffocating. We're not talking about this or this. We're talking about this. Who did this? Oh man, that's hilarious. Is your child texting about high energy physics? What's your canonically quantized teens text messages actually about? By standard arguments, left as an exercise, trivial, can easily be seen. See references. We present without proof. Textbook author. That's really, really well done. Table of fundamental constants. Oh, uncertainty. Exact. Oh, they're all set to 1. Oh, man. The right is slightly cut off on some pics. Here, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Homeschooling day 4 physics class. Free hayride. I like that. Oh no! Why? 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 Who did this? Who did this?
That's Melko.
It makes me feel bad. I'm not surprised it's Melko. Let's see, physics. What happens when something, what is it when something happens? It is always you three. That's good. Oh, that's funny. I like that a lot. Oh man. Wait, what? Oh, here we go. This is the first one I legitimately don't understand. Is he sawing through projectile motion with the Lagrangian formalism? The Lagrangian equation of motion? Oh, I get it. It's overcompensation. Nice. Very, very good. Woo. Oh boy. I told you, it was bound to happen. Old man. Not. Particle physicists be like, do something. Oh, that's not good. This is the LHC, and we haven't had like, well, we've had good results. Come on, that's not fair. Okay, classical physics. Why can't you just be normal? Oops, you had too much. Too much butter, too much sugar, too much flour, too much baking soda, too much egg, too much mess. Nice. You got me, NC. Your memes are next level. You got next level memes. How does NASA organize a party? They plan it. Is this Melko again? Was this Melko?
As I watch your streams, I'm somewhat of a scientist myself.
There you go, Pretz. Thank Tyrion for these. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good, we'll say. All science is either physics or stamp collecting. That's the harshest burn. Like, what? Potential energy, kinetic energy. Awesome. That's really good. Volume. What's that volume, guys? Come on. What's that volume? This is so dumb. It's so dumb. Oh, man. That's so dumb. Who did this? Oh, man. Who did the spherical cow? You should feel bad. Oh, no. And just me as Melko. I think that's just me as Melko. I think that's what that is. Like, that's real dummy stick. So that's got to be Melko. Square root of negative number. Is that illegal? That's so corny. Is this seriously Tyrion? When you finish a project and can finally close it all the tabs related to it. My laptop. You can rest now. I feel like this one was put here on purpose. Corporate needs you to find the differences between these two pictures. Mandelbrot. Ah. I like this one. This one's hilarious. I like this one a lot. Corporate needs you to find the differences between these two. This picture and this picture. They're the same picture. I like that a lot. Stop doing math. This seems very aggressive. Hello, I would like apples, please. They have played us for the absolute fools. I feel like somebody really believes this, though. Like, I feel like this is not a real meme. Like, I feel like someone actually grabbed this off of Twitter, off of someone who actually wanted to press these agendas. Somebody is the president of the United States. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, man. Every machine is a smoke machine if you operate it wrong enough. We did find that out in a building stream. When going out in public, don't forget your mask. Your mask. That's good. And we are through. That was really, really good. Thank you all. We had some pretty dank memes. And I had a couple that made me feel sad. Probably all of them. Probably all of them were brought to us by Professor Professor Nobody. Hey, Professor Melko. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the raid. We were talking about what were we talking about, guys? Let me just tell you a little something about physics.
We were talking about Prof Melko's bad memes.
Commentator, why are you doing this to me? What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Enjoy this final raid.
Welcome, Raiders. My name is Eric. Thank you all for stopping by my channel.